What was that? Oh, you're starving. Hello, my beautiful Noorishments family. Thanks for tuning in today. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Click subscribe, put the notification bell on so that you can get notifications when I make recipes. Today we're going to be making a delicious baked fried chicken. You guys know how much I love fried chicken. We're going to make it a little healthier today, a little better for you. And we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and start off with marinating the chicken. We're going to put it in a delicious buttermilk, which I have here, about 2.5–3 cups. And the next thing we're going to do is add in some Dijon mustard. This is about 1/4 cup. Gives it a really nice kick. And then with that, we're going to add a few tablespoons of hot sauce. This is optional if you do like your chicken spicy. And you're just going to take that and whisk it in. Get it all dissolved in there. It gives you that nice color. And then you're going to let this in. Put in our chicken. I have about 1.5 pounds of thighs and 1.5 pounds of drumsticks. When we're going to go ahead and bake it, it's going to give us that delicious taste. And even though this is baked, it's going to taste fried, and that's the best part. Go ahead and crush some black pepper here, thinly sliced. However, I don't have a grater on hand to grate the fresh carrot, but no worries. Life hack, kitchen hack, we're going to be using a peeler to just basically create shreds, grates of some of the carrots. Works just fine. Always do what you can with what you have on hand. Here the shredded cabbage. I did about 3/4 of a small cabbage, thinly sliced, and about 2.5 carrots shredded. Now I'm chopping up some chives very thinly. We're going to do a few tablespoons of this, then we're going to go ahead and add in the seasoning, which is going to be the Dijon, the mustard, a little bit of lemon juice, pepper, and salt. I like to let this sit in the fridge for 20 or 30 minutes just to soak up all those delicious flavors. And what would coleslaw be without mayo, guys? I'm gonna do quite a few tablespoons. We'll do about 2 or 3. I mean, I know I like to cook healthy, but what is coleslaw without mayo? Now comes the best part. We get to bread the chicken. So it's been soaking here for about 30–40 minutes. And what I have here is 2 cups of panko, a cup of flour. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the bowl here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my spices. I have garlic, salt, paprika, a little bit of thyme, a little bit of Lari seasoning. I will be sure to detail all the amounts down below in the description box. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all up. So you get a beautifully seasoned panko crust. It's going to be so delicious. It's going to be crunchy, everything you could ever imagine. So we're going to go ahead and bread the chicken. What I have here is the baking sheet lined with aluminum foil, and then I have a rack on top. This is really the key. It creates that effect of the chicken tasting fried, even though it's not. The air circulates really, really well. And you're going to get that beautiful crispy crust. And before the chicken is finished in the oven, we're going to go ahead and add a cheddar on top to kind of create that crust, since there is not chicken. There isn't skin on the chicken, which is totally fine. Like, I promise you will not notice, and you will definitely love it. So let's get to breading. So I'm going to take a piece of the beautifully soaked chicken in the buttermilk. I'm going to go ahead and put about 2 or 3 pieces in the breading. Then I'm just going to flip them to make sure they're nice and coated. Now our chicken is all beautifully breaded. We're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven again at 425 degrees for about 35–40 minutes, and we'll check back. So I'm going to go ahead and plate some of the chicken here. I'm going to get a nice thigh and also a drumstick. Yum. Did you guys remember that I almost forgot to put mayo in the coleslaw? Okay, I'm glad you didn't. So, let's go ahead and plate some of that. Delicious slaw. Bon appetit! I'm so stoked to try this, and I hope that you guys do try it at home. If you do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you thought and what else you want to see. I'd love to create your creations or your idea. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. It looks too good to wait, and let me know what you think. I'll let you know what I think in a second. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. You will not miss the oil or the fried chicken because this is the best baked fried chicken you will ever eat. Thank you for watching, and make sure you stay nourished.